I'm so excited to show you guys the layout of this house. Look how good this feels. I want to talk about the amenities because, oh my gosh, the amenities are endless. So let's take a look. So this house is priced at $317,000. This builder is David Weekley, so they have a really nice product. They have different price points, which I'm gonna cover every single price point, lot size, number of bedrooms, baths, price points, all of the above, because I want you guys to see everything that's available out here. As soon as you walk in, right here to my right, you have your utility room, aka laundry room, so your washer and dryer room. You have a coat closet, and then right over here is gonna be the entrance to your garage. As we walk in to the left of the house, you have one of the bedrooms, got natural lighting. I love the high ceilings in this house. One of my favorite things about these new homes is how a lot of them, if not most of them, have higher ceilings, right? Because to me, it's just like, it flows, it's airy, it's spacious, you know, so I love it. It's not just like two-story homes where you see high ceilings. So let's talk about all the windows in this wall, natural lighting just seeping through. The sun just makes me feel really good. So if you've got windows, a ton of windows in your house and you love the sun, perfect. This is perfect. And then let's talk about, yes, Houston weather, right? Hockley weather. It's gonna be hot, humid, but these are all double pane windows. So you don't have to worry about the heat coming in or maintaining the cool air in here when it's burning hot outside, because these are really good windows. And then there's a really cool way to pull these out and clean them. But I am standing in the living room, family room. Love the accent wall. So they painted it for you gray. The flooring is really nice. It's a really nice color. It's neutral. So you can do, like, you can see how it goes with the gray. You can do white. Endless possibilities. We know this already. Look at that light. Oh my gosh. Perfect lighting. Okay. So to your left of the house, you're gonna have your other two bedrooms. Pretty spacious. As you can see, light comes in. If you don't like the light, curtains, blackout curtains, you already know. You've got your closet here. And then you're also gonna have carpet in the bedrooms. So nice, take your shoes off, feel the fluffiness, the softness of the carpet. And then you have your shared bathroom here, aka your guest bathroom as well. So when you have company over, this is where you ship them. And then if I were like a kid and my parents bought this house, I would pick one of these rooms, because as soon as you walk out, look what's here, the kitchen. You know what that means, snack mode, snacking at night. But let's talk about this kitchen. Love the white backsplash. It's very neutral, got a little hint of gray cream, some black in there. Ton of cabinet space. You have your microwave, your gas range, stove. And then, so your pantry is gonna be in here. Nice walk-in pantry. Forgot to turn the light on. Jay's gonna kill me. You have your walk-in pantry, so a ton of snacks, food, all your goods can go in there. And then you have your island, ta-da, right here, okay? You have this nice oversized island, really nice light fixtures, and then you have space so you can add stools here. You know, you already have it. They have it kind of set up, staged a little bit, spots here and there, but you can literally add some stools here. And then if you're probably like, Priscilla, where would you put your dining room or dining table, or your breakfast nook, however we want to call it? It's 2026. We make our own names nowadays, right? You can put it, literally extend it out just a little bit here, a nice little round table. I mean, you can literally nowadays put a picture of like your layout and upload it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will literally tell you how to stage or how to furnish your house, not stage, right? All right, so walking in, here's the door to your back patio. We'll go back there in a minute. But then this is gonna be your primary bedroom. Do you guys love how secluded it is? I mean, it's away from the other bedrooms and you're still close to the kitchen. So if you want snacks, I mean, technically you can literally walk right out and then turn and you're in your kitchen. So, but let me show you guys this primary bedroom. You've got carpet in here. You do have that same accent wall that was in the living room in here. This is optional. Obviously, you can come in and make this your own, but I feel like it kind of flows really nice with the carpet. The carpet has like a dark grayish tone to it, so it bounces really nice with that accent wall. You've got 2 windows right here, natural lighting. I talk about natural lighting a lot because sometimes you don't want your lights on. Sometimes you just want to wake up, open up your blinds, pull open those curtains, and just let the sun, the natural light, just seep through your home. It's all up to you. And like I said, if you don't like sun, just black out curtains and, solution, problem solved. Let's talk about this primary bathroom, okay? And then you have your closet. There's no door, it's all open, but you have a walk-in closet right here. Space is nice. You're also gonna have carpet in here as well. And then you have this really nice, soft colored tile that's in here, as you can see. And then this shower, excuse me. Then you have this shower, oversized. No door, it's open, but look at this. It's so nice. Not turn that on. You're gonna have your dual sink, so you don't have to share your space. You've got wall plug in here, which is a little different, but I'm not hating it, because if you decide that you want this side to be your space, I mean, you don't want your cords for your blow dryer or your curling iron or your Dyson. I mean, what do I know? Plugged in and like dragging out to this way. So it's kind of nice that they have this. Also, if you want to do like lighting, like a vanity mirror, I know sometimes they offer those lights that you just kind of plug in, you just right there. Anyways, pretty much it. I mean, it's a lot. It's not a little bit. Let me take you guys to the backyard. Love that you have a covered patio. A lot of builders don't include that. Sometimes it's like an upgrade. You have to pay for them to come out and do it, and of course they're gonna overcharge. But the fact that it's already got poured concrete and then you have a covered patio, and it's nice. The backyard is gonna be pretty standard. I would think like this is spacious enough to put a nice little play area for your kids, or maybe you have your fur babies. This is plenty of space for them to handle their business, come run around. And then, not to mention, the backyard also runs to the side of the house. And then you don't have any back neighbors. And then to this side, you have a little green space before your neighbor's house is right there. So I think it's a perfect size. You put a nice little barbecue pit right here, mount a TV, a few, outdoor patio furniture to watch the Super Bowl like tomorrow. Obviously it's too late to come do that in this house. I mean, we can, but, I think it's a little too late. But there's always next year, or there's the Astros. I mean, come on, baseball season's coming up. Who's not excited for that? But now I'm just ranting. Okay, so let's talk about incentives really quick. So they're offering a 4.99 interest rate with an FHA buyer, and then they're offering a 3.99 interest rate for conventional buyers, and that's called an ARM. Okay, let's cover what an ARM is. If you watch one of my last videos, we covered what that was, but I'm gonna explain it to you guys again. So an ARM is basically a locked in rate for a certain amount of time, and then after that it goes to what rates are by then, right? So for example, with this one, they're offering a 3.99 for conventional buyers for 7 years. After 7 years, if interest rates are 5.25%, then that's what you're gonna lock in. That's the way an ARM works. Now, a lot of people say, why would I want an ARM interest rate? I'm gonna tell you something. If this is your starter house, you're probably gonna live in this house between 3 to 5 years, which means your payment's gonna be as low as it can be. Unless the rates drop back down below 3.99, then you can refinance. But at least for the first 7 years, you're gonna be at 3.99. And if you sell this house on year 5, you literally get out of this house before the 7 years, and rate goes up, down, or stays the same. So that's why an ARM would make sense. If this is your starter home, this is your first house, you're a first-time home buyer, you're gonna live in this house for 3 to 5 years, pay down some of that mortgage, let the equity go up, and then go sell, extract all of your equity, and go find your forever house. So that's why that would make sense. And then the amenities. Okay, so in the next video, I'm gonna take you guys to go tour and go look at the amenities that they have, because they have a ton. But I'm gonna give you guys a quick sneak peek. Some of them are still under construction, so maybe not everything's gonna be ready. But look at this. We're talking about a community center. We're talking about 2 resort-style pools. We're talking about pickleball courts, playground area. We're talking about dog parks, trails. We're talking about a 40-foot mountain, little hill that goes up, it spirals up, and it's called the Overlook. And that you go up 40 feet to the top and you can overlook the whole community, which I think is pretty nice. And then it looks out also to the lake that they have back there. But I don't want to tell you too much because I actually want to show you. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys everything that they have. This is first house of many to come. I can't wait to show you everything. If you're looking for something specific, bedrooms, baths, square footage, price point, the exterior of the house, the finishes, the layout, let me know and I'll go find that for you guys and take you. But what do you think? Leave me a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Could you see yourself living in this house, in this community? See you in the next video.